Many things in our lives or work are now carried out using AI intelligence. How powerful AI intelligence is now. Let us discuss and study how this AI intelligence can bring us more benefits. In life, AI intelligence has many useful applications that have changed our lives, such as Google Maps, self-driving cars, automated marketing, and e-commerce recommendation systems. In addition to these various useful applications of AI, it also has many advantages. The range of applications of artificial intelligence is very wide. At work, AI can automate workflows and processes, or work autonomously without relying on a human team. Automate various aspects of information security by continuously monitoring and analyzing. Likewise, smart factories may use dozens of different types of AI, such as robots using computer vision to move around a factory floor or inspect products for defects, create digital twins, or use real-time analytics to measure efficiency and throughput. AI can eliminate human error in data processing, analysis, manufacturing assembly, and other tasks through automated functions and algorithms that follow the same process every time. I think it will make great contributions to mankind in the future. Artificial intelligence may bring about the fourth industrial revolution. Our robot is jointly developed by AGIO-GPT AI UK Limited and the OpenAI technical team. He will be a miracle. AGIO-GPT AI UK Ltd was established on January 8, 2024. It is a dynamic company with a dedicated technical team that is deeply involved in the production and improvement of GPT general artificial intelligence models. Known for groundbreaking breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, the company's mission is to democratize the use of artificial intelligence and make it accessible to the masses, empowering individuals around the world to harness the power of artificial intelligence and reap its benefits, thereby elevating the overall value of artificial intelligence. AGIO-GPT is at the forefront of AGIO-GPT AI UK Ltd's groundbreaking initiatives, an innovative artificial intelligence robot that marks the company's foray into cutting-edge technology. AGIO-GPT promises users an unparalleled experience, especially in the blockchain field, that brings tangible profits every day. User profitability is a core focus, emphasizing AGIO-GPT's role as a profitability tool designed to guide users to make optimal financial decisions. AGIO-GPT is more than just an ordinary artificial intelligence robot. It provides a mesmerizing user experience. In addition to its money-making features, AGIO-GPT also provides valuable tips and advice to help users make informed decisions and navigate various choices efficiently. For those who are passionate about artificial intelligence, AGIO-GPT AI UK Ltd also extends a welcome invitation to join their team. By becoming part of a company, individuals can unlock employment opportunities and gain insights into the complex logic of artificial intelligence. Characterized by its superior problem-solving speed and superhuman cognitive abilities, AGIO-GPT demonstrates the potential of artificial intelligence to transform industries and enhance decision-making processes on a global scale. In short, AGIO-GPT AI UK Ltd represents the convergence of innovation, accessibility and profitability in the field of artificial intelligence, paving the way for a future where artificial intelligence is not only powerful, but also user-friendly and financially rewarding. AI artificial intelligence will automatically make investments based on numbers, statistics, and computer technology to obtain sustained, stable, and high returns above average returns. There is no need for you to understand the macro cycle, market structure, valuation, growth, earnings quality, market sentiment, etc. of cryptocurrency, and analyze and make statistics on data. Cryptocurrency prices are currently volatile, therefore, experienced cryptocurrency traders rely on cryptocurrency market charts to make trading decisions. However, when cryptocurrency prices fluctuate wildly, it can be difficult to keep up, leading to missed opportunities and sometimes FOMO in the market. For traders who trade across multiple cryptosets and multiple cryptocurrency exchanges, things become extremely complex and continuous monitoring becomes a daunting task. AGIO-GPT will lead a small number of people to take the lead in getting rich through the encryption market. The platform will cooperate with people from all walks of life around the world to jointly contribute to economic development and the prosperity of the cryptocurrency market. It will provide employment opportunities for more than 200 million people around the world, provide customers with all-around services, and establish a good reputation. Are you still envious of the stable capital growth capabilities of financial giants? Have you ever imagined that one day you will have robots working for you around the clock? This is AGIO-GPT, through which this will no longer be a dream. Here, we aim to find the future of the financial world. With a shared data architecture and convenient algorithmic trading foundation, we believe that everyone can become their own asset manager through AGIO-GPT, allowing their asset security to continue to increase steadily.